Good evening everyone. So now the next video of complex number, in which I am going to explain the problems. So now first question I am taking. Welcome to Mathematics Rose channel. Solve the equation mod of z plus z is equal to 2 plus iota. Here we have to find the value of z, or x and y we will find out. So now solution. Let z is equal to x plus iy. Therefore, modulus of z is equal to root under x square plus y square. Now here we will take first equation, mod of z plus z is equal to 2 plus I. In place of this we will write x square y square mod plus x plus iy. So it is equal to 2 plus I. Now here this is the real part and this is whole real number. So it is, we can write x first and then we are writing this x first I have written, and then root under x square plus y square, and then it is plus iota y is equal to 2 plus I. So two complex number will be equal when the real part is equal to the real part and imaginary part is equal to the imaginary part. So equating real part and imaginary part from 1, we get c x plus root under x square plus y square. It is equal to 2. Iy is equal to I. So I will be cancelled out. So y is equal to 1. So now see, y is equal to 1. So now we will put the value of y over here. So x plus root under x square plus 1 square is equal to 2. Now this is the square root, so we will keep it in one side. So root under x square plus 1, it is equal to 2 minus x. Now squaring both sides. Squaring both sides of above equation, we will get square root will be removed, and here will be square 2 minus x square plus 1, it is equal to 4 minus 4x plus x square. Now both are positive sign x square, so cancelled out. So 4x we will take this side. So 4x is equal to 4 minus 1. This one is taken in this side. So 4x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 by 4. And we have calculated y is equal to 1. Therefore, z is the complex number x plus iy. It is equal to 3 by 4 plus I y is 1. So we can write, we will take LCM. So 3 plus 4i. So this can be written as 3 plus 4i. 1 by 4 under bracket 3 plus 4i. So this will be the value of z. 1 by 4 3 plus 4i is the answer of this question. So hope you will enjoy this question. This is good question given from one of the book, that is Kesisna book. Now we are coming to the next question. Now I have taken the question here expressed in polar form. So this question is related to trigonometry also, because it is given 7 cos 135 degree plus I sin 135 degree upon 14 cos 90 degree plus I sin 90 degree. So now first of all we will simplify it. This is 7 cos cos 135 degree. It is coming in the second quadrant, so it is cos 180 minus 45. So it is equal to minus cos 45. So it is minus 1 by root 2. In the second quadrant, cos is always negative. Sine is positive only. So here I am writing minus 1 by root 2. And in the second quadrant, sine 135, it is positive because all sine tan cos, So sine, I will also teach all this thing in trigonometry. 180 degree minus 45. So it is equal to sine 45. So sine 45, 1 by root 2. So it is plus I 1 by root 2. So this, and now suppose this is the complex number z. Let us suppose this complex number is z, and we are simplifying, and this is 14 cos 90 degree. Cos 90 degree is equal to 0, and then plus I sin 90 degree 1. So it will cancel out 2. So now here we will take root 2 LCM. So root 2, and then here is minus 1 plus I, and here is 2. 2 is multiplied with I, so 2I divided by 2I upon 1. So we can write this minus 1 plus I upon root 2 into 1 by 2I. So this is equal to minus 1 plus I upon 2 root 2I. So we will rationalize the denominator. So here we will multiply minus I, and then I square. I square is equal to minus 1. So here it is 2 root 2 I square. So we will put the value. So now we are coming this in the next portion. See, in this portion I am doing. This is the previous reduced portion. Just I am adding all these things. You will get confused. So now here question number 2, continuation. Continue. So now here is I square minus 1. So minus I, that is equal to minus I minus 1 upon minus 2 root 2. So this is, you can take here minus 1 common. So it is 1 plus I. 1 first I have written, I second. So 2 root 2 minus minus cancel. This can be written as 1 by 2 root 2, and then it is 1 by 2 root 2 I. Now it is in the form of x plus iy. So x is equal to 1 by 2 root 2 and y is equal to 1 by 2 root 2. Now r for polar form is equal to root under x square plus y square. So it is equal to 1 by 2 root 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 root 2 whole square. Here is plus, so it is equal to 1 by 8. 2 root 2 means 2 is to 4 and then 2 8, so 1 by 8. So it is, after adding we will get 2 by 8, so 1 by 4. So it is equal to 1 by 2. So r is equal to 1 by 2. Now we will have to find the value of theta. The value of theta. First of all, we will write tan theta is equal to y by x modulus, where theta is the argument. Tan theta y is equal to here 1 by root 2 and x is also equal to 1 by root 2. So 1 by 2 root 2, sorry, upon 1 by 2 root 2. So it will cancel. It is 1. So tan 45 degree means pi by 4. Theta is equal to pi by 4. Now as theta is equal to pi by 4 and here the complex number, this complex number, the both parts are positive. It means that the argument is equal to ARG. Argument ARG is equal to of Z is equal to theta. So now polar form will be R polar form is equal to R cos theta plus just a minute. Plus I sin theta. So put the value over here. In place of r you will substitute 1 by 2 and then cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. So hope this is the answer. So thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. So these are the two questions I have done here. And now in the next video we will do the different questions, other questions and some interesting questions also from complex number. And please comment so that I will get the proper comment and according to that I will also get the feedback. Thank you. Bye bye.